Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So look what I got here. This is a LED searchlight. It's 1224 volt with remote control, 360-degree rotation. Instead of using a lot of current, this is an LED model, so it ought to be good. It's 50 watt. It also has the lenses in here that's like magnifying glass. It says PC lens. It is IP67 rated for waterproofs. Has a nice remote control and multi-voltage, which I said 12 to 24 volt. So we're going to open this up. We're going to take this out and stick it on my little Ford and see how it works at nighttime. I have not opened this box. As you can tell, it's still taped. I could see lots of good uses for this, especially if you're doing search and rescue. If you're a power line worker working on telephone poles, or if you happen to needed to do trees. I don't know why you'd be doing trees at nighttime. Probably not a good idea, but you could shine it up in trees if you're rescuing an animal too, so it'd be good for that. Or if you're at a house, you're at a scene, you're on a volunteer fire department, this would be great to have on your truck, and you could shine it up on the house or where everybody's working with a remote control, and wherever you move, you can take that remote and remotely move it to wherever you're at, up and down, side to side. So here we have the unit itself. Now this thing is made out of aluminum, so it's not a cheap plastic one. I've seen a lot of these that are actually made out of just plastic bodies, but this is a pretty heavy, seems like a pretty heavy duty one. As you can see here, it has a nice heavy DC plug. And then on the front we have this nice lens here to actually keep everything protected, keep it waterproof from water getting inside. And then of course we have the remote control. Now this base on here clips off, so this, you can see, push this button, slide this forward, and this base will come off here, and then it's magnetic right here. So you can stick it on magnetic here. You can take this base and bolt it on something if you wanted to, and then you can slide this into the base, so it'll be nice and quick detach. All you have to do is push down this button, slide it off, take it off of your vehicle, transfer it to another vehicle by magnetic. I'm predicting this thing is going to be pretty bright. So here we have the remote control, and it does have an antenna, so it ought to reach real good. And on the remote, it has a up and a down, a right and a left, has an on button and an off button. We look in the battery compartment here, and it does already have a battery in it. So, and the battery is actually already hooked up. It's kind of strange, but the battery's already hooked up because the lights are working right there. So let's plug this thing in to some DC here. I have a power supply for right now. We can plug it in and see how it works when it comes on. All right, so now we're plugged into a DC power supply that I have right back here. So let's hit the on button. Definitely comes on and definitely bright. Hit the off button right there. But let's check the left and the right. There's right. Very smooth, nice and smooth. There's the end of the rotation. So as you can see, it will do a full 360-degree rotation. So it should come back around, aim in this direction. Like so. Perfect. So we got 360-degree, and then we have our up and down. I'm trying not to actually shine this into the camera, but it actually shines up really, really steep angle and should go down at a pretty good angle. Goes down about the same angle, so that's real nice. Bring it back up here, turn it back around toward the camera. Like that, and that dude is bright. We're going to check this out at night and see how good it is. The cord is 60 inches long, so a 5-foot cord. So it also says here that it'd be good for boats, trains, houses, buildings. You can use this on a lot of things, just ordinary vehicles. Like I said, fire trucks, utility trucks, volunteer firemen. Would this be real handy for volunteer firemen to have? So let's take it out right now and stick it on the vehicle while it's still daylight. And then tonight we'll try it out and see how she shines. And turn it off.